Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. I'm here with today's second signal, and today's second signal is going to be on USDCAD, aka US dollar per Canadian dollar. So without no more time to waste, let's head to the calendar and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on our calendar, what I'm currently seeing is that currently the buyers have the leverage for themselves and the sellers are getting a little bit stronger, and over time we're going to see that the sellers are going to have the leverage for themselves so they can push down the price a little bit. And if we go to the high impacts, which we are now on high impact news, is that the movement is going to be a sort of a range movement, even though with all the news that are going to have positive impact on the price of USDCAD throughout the weekend. So as you all know me, I don't believe in news, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as always I have drawn some zones for you guys so it's more understandable. The blue zone, as always, is our trading zone, and the red zone is going to act like a really strong support to our trade, and it is a real-time resistance, which, as I have mentioned before, what has happened here is that there were two equal lows that were taken by the price of USDCAD, and the price never came back to the upside of this area, and this usually makes a really strong resistance. And the blue zone is showing us that recently the price of USDCAD has taken two equal highs, but this time it has returned back to the downside of the level, and this actually gives us a really good leverage and a bearish momentum. So you now know that our trade is going to be a selling trade, and I don't see any supports below these two lows because there is not much of a support below these two lows, and we're going to actually use this beautiful open area to set our TPs. What I want from you now is to sit back, enjoy the music so I can make this beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have this beautiful setup, the better approach for this trade is to wait for the price to come back up again to our area. Then we can enter with a better confirmation and with a really larger TP. And that's it for today's second signal. Have a good time and peace.